Hi, my name is Essa and I'm in my second year and I'm studying psychology and cognitive neuroscience. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to a mindfulness workshop. This is located on the University Park campus and it's going to be for around 1 hour long. So whatever I experience, you guys are going to see it with me too. And afterwards, I'm going to evaluate how helpful I felt it was. So stay tuned. When we are being mindful, we are paying attention on purpose in a kindly and non-judgmental way, trying to keep our mind in the present moment. This is a skill that requires practice. What would a mindfulness session be like? I think it got easier over time. In the beginning I kept drifting away thinking about the future and stuff. And then I brought my mind back.
So what you noticed or what you found was that it got easier as time went on, but to begin with it was hard.
Yeah.
It was really hard. Some people might have found it the other way around, but it was easy to begin with and harder as it went on.
I think for me it was like that. It was easy in the beginning, but when the time passed, I couldn't concentrate much. I was focusing on my breath in the beginning more.
Okay, so we have different experiences, and remember, there's no right or wrong, but noticing our own bodies and noticing our own experiences is what this is all about. And how we make use of it, obviously, will vary from person to person.
So I'm back home now and overall I found it really helpful. It was a really good experience. I think my favourite part of it was just realising that by merely taking 5 minutes out of your time, 10 minutes out of your time, you can make yourself feel so much more relaxed. I think these kind of exercises, mindfulness exercises, would be really useful in times when I'm feeling particularly stressed or anxious about something, especially when exams are coming up. I think that those techniques can be really, really helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.